To view missed, placed, or received calls, press the Applications button and use the navigation cluster to select Recent. You can sort by missed calls or all calls using soft key options. To dial from the call history, with the navigation cluster, scroll to the call and press the Select button or the call soft key. Press the Edit Dial soft key if you need to edit the number to add 8+1 for an external call. It may be on the second menu of soft key options. To view details for a call, highlight the call and press the Details soft key. It also may be on the second menu of the soft key options. Press Delete to delete an individual call record from the list. You can clear the missed call history by selecting Clear List, or if you would like to select the entire call history, select All Calls and then press Clear List. You will be asked to confirm your selection by pressing Cancel or Delete.